Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to get ADB running on your computer. I saw a lot of tutorials online that were either outdated or didn't give you the correct files, so today we're going to update that, and I'm also going to give you the correct files in the description. This is going to be really fast, really simple, and really painless. So to get started, first you're going to download this zip file that I'm going to put in the description, and then once you get it, your files are going to look a little different than mine, only because I have already installed ADB, but I'm still going to walk you through it. So your files are all going to look like this. And what you want to do is once you unzip it, you'll need a program, or you can probably use the Windows native unzipper. You're going to want to copy your file, and then you're going to want to go to the C drive. You don't have to put it in the C drive. I used to have it in my downloads because my downloads folder is really messy. But putting it in your C drive just makes it so you don't accidentally delete it because you're not really in there for anything. So you're going to just copy and paste it there. And then again, yours is going to look a little different. You're probably not going to have these couple folders right there. But to get yours looking like mine, all you're going to do is run it. And if you do not get this pop-up, say it's like flashing at the bottom, it's like trying to run, but it's not actually, what you need is Java. So I'm going to go ahead and also put that in the description for you. It's just like the regular Java that you'll need. So for this, you're going to go ahead and it's going to have a whole bunch selected, and it might even have you update this installer before it does any of this. Go ahead and update it. It is okay. It's not going to change anything. The only thing it's going to change, it's going to make it look more like mine. So it's going to automatically have like 16 or 15 packages installed or ready to install. But what you want is you only want these top two. So you can go ahead and close that to make it easier to find the other ones. And then deselect all the other ones. You can also do deselect all, but just to show you so we're on the same page. Now this one right here, it's probably going to have this one selected again because I've already done this. It might be a little different for you. But the Google USB driver, you're going to need regardless in the next step. It's going to tell you you need it. So you can just select it here or do it in the next step. It doesn't matter. But as you can see, I have 3 selected. Those 2 and then the Google driver. It should say install 3 packages, I believe, for you, but you get the idea. You're going to accept the license for all of them, install, and then it's going to go through and install your stuff. It is going to take a little bit, especially if you don't have this before. Right now, I guess it's just updating mine, although there's nothing really to update, but I'll come back when it is finished. Alright, it is finished, and you'll probably get this little pop-up right here. You don't really need to worry about it. You can just go ahead and click OK, and then what you're going to do is you're going to close that, and now, when you go and look in your folder, it should look like mine. It should have these little extra ones, because remember, yours before probably looked like this. You know, only a couple things. You need the extra ones. Alright, so ADB is installed. However, you're not exactly done. We have one more quick step we need to do, and this is so when you open a command prompt, you can just go ahead and start typing ADB in your commands. You don't have to do the weird shift right click thing, open a PowerShell or command prompt. This will make it so easy on you. So what you're going to do is you're going to type system. It should come up at system advanced settings, or however you need to get there for your computer. Then we're going to do environment variables. Scroll the whole way down here at the bottom to path. Then you're going to do edit. And again, mine are already here because I did this before, but just to show you, what we're doing is we're telling where the path needs to go and where it needs to grab from. So for us, it needs to grab from our C drive, this folder, and then we're going to do this for platform tools and regular tools. So you can go ahead and click that, and you want to be in the folder because this will make your life easier than typing it. So once you're inside the tools folder, you're going to go ahead and click up here in the top row, and it's actually going to highlight the path for you. So you're going to go ahead and copy that, and then go back here, and then you're going to do new, paste, and then OK, and then you're going to have that one. But I'm not going to do it twice since I already have that. And you're going to do the exact same thing for platform tools. So we're going to go back, we're going to do platform tools, go inside, and then copy the path, go down here, do new again, go ahead and hit enter, and then it will add it. Now yours might be down here at the bottom. I just moved mine the whole way to the top. I don't know if it really changes anything, but I guess for my own personal sake, all you do is click the move up and down, and I just moved mine both up to the top. But once you do that, you're going to hit OK, 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 and then what you should be able to do to see if ADB is running is plug something into your computer, obviously an Android. You can go to CMD. It doesn't have to be an administrator CMD. And then make sure, because I've seen this online too, that if your Android device is in file transfer mode, it doesn't always work. Some phones, especially newer ones, need to be charging only. So see, I just changed it to charge only and some settings came up. But now if I do ADB devices, it's going to come up with a list of devices. Yours might come up on your phone, so make sure your phone is right by you so you can look at it while it's plugged in. It's going to come up with allow debugging. You're going to want to click a little button that says always allow from this computer, and then click allow, and that's how you're going to get that. But if you can get to this step where it says ADB devices and then it shows you your device connected, you know ADB is working, so then you can do a whole bunch of different commands. So now we're going to be sending commands to the actual phone, but that is for a different video. This is just to show you how to get ADB. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. I always try to answer them and interact with you guys. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching and have a good day.